My bad. So you're gonna have to hear it all over again. So we're talking about today cash or accrual, choosing the right accounting method for your business. If you don't know, I'm Corrine from Faith Accounting Consulting Service, and tonight we're tackling the question could be costing your business money without you even realizing, and it should be using cash or accrual accounting. So let's make this all simple. Cash accounting, you record income when money hits your account and expenses when they're paid. So basically, everything's going to match what your bank account or your credit cards are seeing. Accrual accounting, you record income when it's earned and expenses when they are incurred, even if no cash has been moved yet. So basically, cash is easier and popular for smaller service-based businesses. Accrual gives a truer picture if you have receivables, payables, or inventory. Like I said, a lot of clients that are making millions of dollars in revenue, more than what a small service business would. They love using accrual because they're allowed to kind of manipulate. And when it comes down to tax time, they can manipulate things a little bit with using the accrual basis. So they can, if they need more income, they're able to say, well, we have this job, we did this job, and we invoiced. But the basic reason why this matters is your tax bill can change depending on the method. Your financial reports would tell a completely different story. And if you're planning to grow or go after funding, accrual can put you in a stronger position, basically. Like I said, it's a little bit more manipulated. So this isn't just an accounting practice preference, it's a business strategy. So choosing the wrong method can throw off your taxes, high cash flow issues, or make you look less profitable than you are. For instance, like if you use accrual and you're accruing for expenses before you actually pay for it, and it's more than what your income is, that's not looking good. Like if you didn't do any jobs and you didn't get paid for if you didn't do any jobs or anything and you are you invoice, you can only invoice actually when you do the work. Okay. So that's why I can throw you off for a little bit. So basically, before I close out, I will answer some questions. So which method saves more on taxes? It all depends on cash can delay income recognition and lower taxes short term, but it's not always the best long term. You understand? So it, like I said, all depends. It all kind of depends. It depends on what your strategy really is. Number 2, can I switch from cash to accrual later? Yes, but it must be reported to the IRS and handled carefully. Mess this up and it could definitely trigger an audit. So we want to avoid some audits, y'all. You know we like to be audit proof here. Do I have to use accrual if I have inventory? Oftentimes, yes. The IRS usually requires accrual if you carry inventory so your income and expenses match correctly. Okay? So there's no one size fits all, but making the right choice now can save you stress and dollars later. If you're not 100% sure which method is right for you, don't guess. Let's figure it out together. You can DM me or book a call today so we can make sure your books are set up to work for your business and not against it. That's all we want to do. We want to partner and make your books a wonderful partner for you to make the right decisions and for you, like I said, to save on taxes, to help you with business funding. There's so many other things. Like our books can open up so many doors. So let's get our books together, right? So with that being said, happy Monday, everyone. And I hope you all have a profitable and productive week. And I'm so happy to be back. Last week was a little draining for me. I had to take a little break. There's a lot of stuff going on. Kids are home. Just things are happening. And, sometimes you take a break. So whatever topic was last week, Monday, we are going to push it into September. I can't believe I'm saying September already. Beach me. I need to go to the beach now. So thank you, y'all. Have a great day.